You don't have a little clippy thing, do you?
Do I have a what?
You don't have a clip, do you?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, sweet.
I was gonna plug the mic in.
Okay.
Yeah, they post.
What's up, Dave? How you doing?
Back from vacation and I jumped right in the midst of it.
Yeah. Welcome to the party. So you're gonna hardwire in?
Yeah.
Hey there, Greg. I'm here for the press conference in Hagerstown. Got the shot up on DeZero 3. Nicely done, Dave. Yeah.
Nice.
Good work.
Not gonna show the mic flag, but I gets the job done.
Yeah.
Do you want to put a crossbar on it?
I don't care. It's all good.
Do you want to put this across the top?
I don't care unless you want it.
I don't.
I appreciate you offering
Once
it.
it gets too crowded, then
Yeah.
it's a storm.
Is it too? Yeah.
Yeah, as long as he's not 8 feet tall.
I don't think he's 8 feet tall.
Good level.
Yeah, mic check 1 2 3. Mic check 1 2 3. Yep. See the shot up okay, Greg? Oh yeah, yeah. I'll go ahead and adjust.
Oh, I'm a jerk. You texted me back right away. I'm sorry. I got in the car and I was just raging for 5 minutes to Eric, so
Yes, sir. Mic check 1 2 3. 1 2 3.
I'm disappointed myself, to be honest with you. I feel really bad. I'm sorry.
All right, man. You're the best. Thanks.
Ohio State held on and Oklahoma came back.
Awesome, thank you. I'm assuming he's going to be starting. Awesome, thank you. Bye. Yes, sir. Hey, Sean. Sweet. WUSA, nice.
Yes, sir.
Good stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm too hot out here.
45.
I used to be at 45.
Oh, good stuff. Yeah, I was at 45 for about a little over a year. Yeah. Oh, yeah. No, Casey's, like, 45 is fun, right? Yeah.
I can't really. Yeah, you gotta pay bills.
Yeah,
You know what
yeah.
I mean? I get it.
Alright, let me know. Sweet. John, you want to come up? Sorry. Yep, we're ready.
All right, good afternoon. My name is Sergeant Carly Hose. Last name's H-O-S-E. I am the Public Information Officer with the Washington County Sheriff's Office. We are here to give updated information in reference to the homicide investigation that we have going on. This morning at approximately 11 a.m., the suspect's vehicle was located in a wooded area off of Bottom Road, that's in Williamsport, Maryland, on the Tannery property, if you're familiar with Williamsport. A search has started and is ongoing. The sheriff is going to give out more information about that here in a moment. First, I would like to give a list of some of the agencies that are involved with the search and give our thanks for their support. The Maryland State Police, Hagerstown Police Department, the Frederick County Sheriff's Office, the Natural Resource Police, the National Park Service, and the U.S. Marshal Capital Area Regional Fugitive Task Force. At this time, Sheriff Albert is going to give a couple words.
Thanks for being here today. We just wanted to give an update to everyone in the community. Obviously it's an active investigation. We're still gathering evidence. This is a pretty remote area that we're searching in, so it takes a while. We have, like I say, I can't thank the other agencies enough that are assisting us. Maryland State Police, the Hagerstown City Police, Frederick County Sheriff's Office, the U.S. Marshals, their task force is on this, their nationwide search. So we're going to catch this guy. It's just a matter of time. We don't feel that the community's at risk here in Williamsport or the surrounding areas. We just ask that you avoid the search area and where we have cordoned off. And if anybody has any information, call your local law enforcement. We have the 911 will go here in the county to our dispatch center, and they'll relay the information. And we're just going to be vigilant until we bring him to justice or we capture him. So I'll take a few questions. Julie Green.
Any indication how long the Mercedes has been there? Was the engine warm?
We don't know that at this time. We do know that we found by a local resident here about 11 o'clock this morning off Bottom Road. It's a pretty remote area, so it could have been there since Thursday night or sometime Friday.
Besides the Tannery property, are you searching residential barns, garages, anything else?
We're searching some of the vacant residents in the area. There's some there on Cushwall Brick, which is across the Clear Spring Road, so that's being searched. There's a lot of vacant buildings on the Tannery property itself. We're just searching them to make sure that there's nothing inside of those.
Did you say someone found the vehicle and called it in? Who found this vehicle?
It was a local resident that found it. I think they own some property in the area there. It is muzzleloader season here in Maryland for deer, so the hunters were out today, and that's, I don't know if that's why they were in the area, but it's kind of a high recreation area. The C&O Canal runs south of there, so it's frequented by residents here in the community.
I know there were a bunch of patrols dispatched to other judges' homes. Is that still ongoing? Is that something that's going to happen in the future too?
We're taking precautions, obviously. I think there's been protocols changed throughout the state on the judges just to be a little vigilant with that and their protection of our judges here in the county and the state. Yes, sir.
Can you say anything about whether there was a gun in the vehicle?
We have not really searched the vehicle thoroughly, but we don't think there's a gun in the vehicle. We haven't searched it. We're making sure that we have our search warrants and everything in place before we get in the vehicle properly.
And then what was put out last night sort of gave some of the areas that he's known to have connections to. Do you have any reason to believe that he's not in the area? In other words, if the car was found in a remote kind of part of the world, y'all are searching this area very
Right.
diligently. Do you have any reason to believe he may not be in the area now that you've located the car?
I mean, definitely that's a possibility that he is not in the area, but we have to clear this area to make sure. It's a pretty big area that we're looking at. You know, it's hundreds of acres in there that, you know, within a 10-minute walk you can be at a lot of places down there, especially with the canal. There's a railroad track that runs through, and then some other local roads. So we're just clearing it just to, you know, we can say, hey, he's not here, or hopefully we can locate him.
And then on the car point, are you waiting for a warrant to search the car, or why haven't you looked inside
Yeah,
the car?
we have a warrant, so we're going to wait till we clear the area and it's not an active scene, and then we'll tow the vehicle to a secure area for search warrants. You know, we'll pull the computers, GPSs from it, and then the contents, obviously, if we find anything in the vehicle.
But, sorry.
And Sheriff, how do you pronounce the last name? His
My last name?
No, his.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Argote. It's some people's been saying Argote, but the family, it's Argote, is how they pronounce the last name.
And sorry, just to make sure I'm understanding correctly.
Yes.
So my thought would be that you search the car, maybe that gives you some insights on where he's gone. But
Correct.
That hasn't happened yet?
That just the initial search of it to make sure any you know, safety reasons we would search it, but we're making sure that we have our warrant. Like I said in the press conference on Friday, we want to make sure we have an ironclad case against him when we catch him, that you know, we can bring him to justice.
What's the communication cooperation with law enforcement agencies in neighboring states? I know we're, you know, next to a couple.
Oh, we have a great working relationship. You know, there's a network ever since 9/11 happened. Different states and the federal government set up different analyst centers, so they communicate statewide. You know, we can push it out to our local MCAC, which is Maryland Center for Analytical. I forget what it exactly stands for. It's MCAC. Major, can you help me on that one?
Maryland Coordination and Analysis Center.
Yeah, Maryland Coordination Analysis Center. They push that out to all the law enforcement agencies, and it goes out to nationwide also. So the communication's not an issue. That is, you know, something that hasn't been an issue at all.
And do we have any updated details on motive behind this? I know we're looking at court documents and stuff like that, but can you release anything about that?
No, we can't. I don't want to, you know, comment on an ongoing investigation. We want to make sure we have everything lined up so we can bring him to justice.
What can you say about his past? Any previous issues, legal issues?
No law enforcement issues that we have. We have, the Washington County Sheriff's Office did respond to the home a couple times for verbal domestics in the last few years, but no physical violence that we know of and no criminal record.
Is Argote's family cooperating with you guys in this investigation?
Yes, the ones that we've been in contact with here and that were local are cooperating.
Have they said anything? What have they said to you guys?
Well, you know, it's an investigation, so I want to just keep that.
Sure.
You know, I don't want to put it out.
Is there protection for his wife and kids?
Yes.
Is that officers? Is that deputies on patrol, or what's that security detail around his family?
They're well protected.
Okay.
We've got a lot of access points to towpath and other places. It's a nice full weekend, you know, when you got a lot of people out here hiking.
Right.
What's your message to those people out here in the hiking the towpath?
Well, if someone's seen anything that was out of the ordinary, call in and let us know. Call your local law enforcement in your area, or you can call into our comm center